The speed app really helped because the general oncology part was covered really well, and the high yield series. Like for the last minute revisions, I only watched the high yield series videos, and they were really helpful, and the e notes also. This app was really helpful, especially the high yield series videos, the Devita based, the modules which were Devita based. That was really helpful.
I bring in all the wishes and the greetings from Speed Medical Institute and all the faculties of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Shraddha Zanwar for scoring rank number 52 in DM Medical Oncology Group in NEET SS session 2025. Congratulations to you, doctor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Great to have you in the session. And also thank you for allocating the time to share your experiences with us and also for the students watching this video.
Thank you, sir.
So can we know a brief background about yourself, where you started till date, what all you have done?
Yeah. So, sir, I basically belong from Nagpur, Maharashtra, and I did my MBBS from NKP Salve, Nagpur in 2015 and completed it in 2022. Joined my MD Medicine from GMC Nagpur in 2022. Completed it in 2025. And during the bond period, the reason behind this choosing this field was because my father had gotten diagnosed with oral cancer.
I got it.
So that is when I changed my perspective. I had never thought that I would pursue medical oncology. So that is when I started preparing, and that is when I joined Speed.
Great, doctor. And
Yeah,
I'm really happy that you chose this field and it has a relevance to what you're doing.
yeah, sir.
Yeah. So can I know, once you decided to do so, how you started, what was your mental preparation, and then what was your time allocation? What was the preparation
Yeah,
strategy to go on with that?
yeah. So I had joined the app, sir, and first I scrolled through all the videos and the notes. Then I started solving the QBanks and grant tests. I did my preparation in 6 to 8 months period only because back then I had not decided that I wanted to do this only. I was preparing for medical group only. But then there was a separate paper, and this was the first time. And this time the paper was so different.
Okay.
It was not like in the grand test. Yeah, it was only core oncology. So the speed app really helped because the general oncology part was covered really well, and the high yield series. Like for the last minute revisions, I only watched the high yield series videos, and they were really helpful, and the e notes also.
Great. Very nice to know. And also, is it a good news for you to have a separate paper, or you have been preparing through a general paper?
I was preparing for general paper. I was ready for it, but then when this decision changed, I felt that it is actually a good thing. But there is also a downside to it for some students who don't have experience in oncology. Like our institute, we did not see patients. We only saw hematology patients. And that too, the treatments in our institute was not available. So we had to refer the patients for higher institutes only. So that is the downside to it. But after watching the videos, the concepts become clear. And once we read 3 times, 4 times, then we understand what it actually means. And we have to follow the NCCN guidelines only. And that is covered really well in the Speed app. And even the ESMO guidelines have been covered.
Very nice. Excellent. Nice to know from you. Thanks for sharing. And
Yeah,
faculties will also be very happy to know from your feedback that they have done a job for the purpose.
yeah, sir.
Great. Now, can you share something about the paper itself? How many questions you attended the paper?
I had attempted 47 questions. So actually, this time in the exam, there were so many pediatric oncology questions, and I had not covered it in detail. So I was very skeptical about attempting those questions. But then I thought that I should be aggressive, and I attempted it. And the paper was core oncology only. You need to have a very clinical based approach. This time they did not ask much about the chemotherapeutic drugs. Immunotherapy they did not ask. It was very surprising paper actually.
Okay. Doctor, what would be a message for the future aspirants of DA Medical Oncology?
So if anybody is thinking of pursuing this subject, then you have to be very well oriented with the DEVITA, the NCCN, and the latest updates.
Okay. Now, who introduced speed to you? What was your experience with speed for this exam?
It was introduced to me by my radio oncology friends.
Okay. So, what was your experience with the relevance to this exam?
So this app was really helpful, especially the high yield series videos, the Devita based, the modules which were Devita based. That was really helpful.
Great, doctor. Thanks for sharing. Time to
Thank you,
thank.
sir.
Whom all you want to thank? You feel that
I'm very grateful
you.
for my family. They've always been very supportive of me. Yeah.
Doctor, once again, we wish you all the very best and all the success for a great and wonderful career in
Thank
DM
you so much, sir.
Super Speciality. Best wishes to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome, Doctor.